Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the blower motor resistor on this 2010 Dodge Caliber. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. We're over here on the passenger side. You're going to need a stubby Phillips screwdriver. So right here is your blower motor resistor. So we're going to push in on this tab right here and pull down. We've got it unplugged, and then we just need to unscrew these two screws right here. Here is our resistor. We've got it out. This one is actually testing good. A lot of times when they're bad, this soldered together joint right here will break apart, and these two right here will be separated. That's a lot of times a sign that they're bad, or you can ohms test them. But I usually just look at the physical condition. If I'm suspect that they're bad, I'll just replace it. I will have a new resistor linked down in the description below where you can get one online. But to replace this is the same process in reverse. Just stick it up there, replace the screws, and plug it back in. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.